Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the Vacos Cam wireless surveillance camera and solar panel. In the box, you'll get a user manual, sticker, drill template, screw mount, power cable, 2 wall mount, and Vacos Cam. The Vacos Cam is a wireless 1080p battery-operated surveillance camera featuring color night vision, smart motion detection, indoor and outdoor use with internal and cloud-based storage options. Made of ABS plastic and polycarbonate with a glossy white finish. It appears to be pretty hardy and engineered to survive the great outdoors. The base of the Vacos Cam has a speaker and micro USB charging port. The camera itself operates from a 6,700 mAh battery which is built into the body of the unit. It can operate for up to 6 months on a single charge.
Welcome and thanks for choosing Vacos device. Initializing device, please wait. Waiting for setup.
Now, let's open the solar panel box. In the box, you'll get a user manual, screw mount, wall mount, and Vacos solar panel. The solar cell converts solar power to electricity quickly. With the outdoor waterproof design, Vacos solar panel works seamlessly in all scenarios, outdoors or indoors, without worrying about the weather. Setting up the Vacos camera is easy. First, you need to download the Vacos app from Google Play or App Store. Once you do that, it'll attempt to walk you through the process of setting it up.
Connecting Wi-Fi. Device is now online.
The video quality seems crisp and clean, and there's no noticeable motion blur or fuzziness, unless you have network connection issues. Impressively, this remains true even at night, when many home security cameras get a bit sketchy. The LED bulbs provide full color visibility, which is also better than most night vision cameras. No green or black and white video here. You'll be able to clearly distinguish any color on the spectrum, making this an excellent night vision camera. You can view live security camera footage at any time. However, there's only one kind of automated alert or recording event, and that's motion detection. The motion detector has enough range to cover the camera's entire field of view, so nothing can sneak by. More importantly, the motion detector software is designed to only trigger when it sees a human shape.